which is out message correct. But I'm telling you, of course, thank you. Pane zvinhu zvekuti nyange ukazviziva ukasaenda through those things, you can never appreciate what am I saying? I have been meaning to be testimony, share what I'm saying, because I didn't want to, like, before this said, the other of the I just see the testimony. So, as I was listening, knowledge, but experiential knowledge is where I focus. There are things you have to experience. The God that we serve can only be experienced. Because if I tell you, you only think we go down. So as you know evidence. What am I saying? So these past few months, me and my family, takaona zvakatiwanda. But mukuona zvakatiwanda ikoko, what kept me going was the knowledge that I serve a God that is living. Amen. So what am I saying? Ndaiti ndikada kuzama because pane zvimwe zvinhu zvaunoita zvaunoti iwewe ndinozviita natural, like you know how kutsvaka mari kuri natural kwandiri, kwanguri natural kwandiri according to my own terms. So ndaitoti ndikangobuda ndaidzoka ndinayo, ndikangobuda takadaiso zvinokwanisa kundiziva ndinodzoka ndinayo, ndikabuda takadaiso ndinodzoka ndinayo. But the thing is, mari yacho yanga isina mari. What am I saying? Handina kuti ndakaroma, no. What I'm saying is, zvandaita zvacho kuti ndiwane zvanga zvisina. So I had to be broken in order for him to actually take that responsibility. Ndakasiwa nevanhu vese basa ndikasekwa. Ndaona zvikanzi pane iri kuna songs kanzi vanhu vandiseka nekuti ndiporwa, vari kunditi ndiporwa because vaiona ndandiri munhu kuchange kuwenda aona zvinhu zvanga zvisi kufamba. But little did they know kuti pane chiri kugadzirwa mandiri that I had to come back and ndonozvisvisa inini wacho nemhuri yangu, not just me, but sacrifice out yekuti isusu wacho titange takwana tizise aiye mupota. So we went through zvaisaoneka kuti ndizozviexplain zvainetsa. Maybe we know we are getting an idea what we're going through. But I took comfort in knowing what because remember, Peter, the devil has looked what swift like weeds. Yeah. But I am praying for you. Amen. That I still remember the night when I was up that. Ndakabva ndatuziva kuti ndiwo mari. Handinei kuti ndiuye ndiwane munhu anonditi. No, I knew because that sermon was talking to me. Ndakachekwa to the point yekuti I got got to a comfort with young women can see very much where my head I'm still okay. To get an accident, to put a guitar in his hand, it's not so very good. Basa zvanosika family ndakakuita izvo zvese zvanosikaiti but ndakangozoti I still remember the shoot on Israel because as long as I'm still here I'm still okay. Ndichinamata ndiriyo, it's okay. We went through a lot. In order to appreciate God, you have to go through that. Because ndakasiyana vhara ndokwa ndakabva. Vakatoti wewe you are an outcast. Saka no, uchavigwa. Ndakasiyana vhara madhoo kune dzimwe shamwari. Sandaitofunga kuti ishamwari dzangu. Dzakatozvivhara dzega madhoo, vamwe vaitovhara vega madhoo. Because no one wants to be associated with faith. What they think they do not practice faith. Because me I'm not faith. Because God is faith. So, there is an experience that you cannot be taken away from. Because I got to stand on the because way before, like I'm bringing up with somebody. How do I truly know God? You can say, there are things that you cannot clear. There are things you have to experience. And I have seen this. My life is a testimony. Maybe one day, just that's when we start. The brothers in the same place. So, that's it. And now put it in Daniel 6 verse 10. Because I force him to know. He just continued his way. And she went to Sahara. Verse 10, you know, now when Daniel knew that the writing was signed, he went into his house, and his windows being opened in his chamber towards Jerusalem. He knelt upon his knees 3 times a day and prayed and gave thanks before God as he had did 4 times. So, maybe you can question where am I going there. Problems, Proverbs 1 verse 17, surely in vain the net is spread in the sight of any birds. Then my last 2 verses are Corinthians. 2 Corinthians, it's Corinthians chapter 2, verse 8. Which none of the princes of this world knew, for had they known it, they would not have crucified the Lord of glory. Verse 12, now having received not the spirit of this world, but the spirit which is of God, that we might know the things that are freely given to us of God. So, kana pane chinhu chandakawana straight for is knowing. So knowing yendikutaura is not experiential, it is kuzvimesa muword. The more that I went into the word, the more I knew that there are things which because everyone has an allocation of an evil day. So none of us is exempt. So what do? We carry our heroes, smooth and put on the full armor of God, that we may withstand. The Bible doesn't, it calls it wars, wills, they're shows. They're not real, because he's trying to convince you they're real, but they're not. But what is real is God. He is real. Kana uchida namata uzuzigirwe. Go through any situation and be anchored in God, and then you will realize that's what you want. But I'm still here, and God is still God. But the situation is what changed. You have to experience. You have to. Abraham, Noah, they all knew. How can you build a boat for these 100 years? Yeah. How can you build a boat for 100 years? You have to know something. Every time by the end of the situation, I'm going to put this. It is well. Situation. But then you find time in your farmer, so that situation is gone. But still, God is still God. I want to know. In Santa Cruz, I want to know more. If it means to get to the point of death, then I am willing. This is not just a mere confession. I am here, and I am willing to hear about the because I have seen there are things that you can taste through experience. Makamboona zvinoitika kana munhu achida basa asingarizivi. Anonzi tanga wadzidza basa. Wozotanga kufunga nezvichauya. What you are trying to be given is the experience. The experience no one can take. Tools people can take, but experience. Yeah. Only experience. So you can take away everything else, but my experience you can never take it. This is not just a mere confession. I will tell you your experience. Because he will place you in those places. Sure, and are you willing? Because this is not just about words. Even I need to be system of words. I can't pass any more words. You know, this is each. There's the morning. I'm not so really going to know that. I do see, but there's the morning. I implore you. There is something greater. You put it over. You know about $100 motor life. You know, Sarah Christina. But as long as my mom first on the children, I am here. Jesus knew. That's why he knew he was going to die. He came here to die anyway. He knew. But I did not want to watch it. I am bailing out him. Because he knew that. It was the 20 and 4 elders, the 24 elders. As every time they cast down their crowns. Do you know what it means for a king to cast down his crown? Crown with calabash. It's in Jumaya. But say, Mama, Panopisco king. You know, but his men, they cast them down. because vaona imwe zvinhu iri nani. So kana vanhu vanogara mupresence yaMwari vachiona zviri nani, what more isusu? We are past the time of convincing each other with words. Because the church haina power as we saw because of people who use words. Kuti ndikuconvince kuti ndinatsotaura kuti sempre inonzi testimony yangu inotangira apa igogumira apa. I cannot. Because if I just time ndakatongoshaya date tikatoudzana nemudzimai wangu kuti aiwa isusu unogara mumota hatitine mota. I used to see this ndichibva vanhu vari homeless vachitaura kuti you know what, inini ndinane mota I can stay in motikari mangu. Ndikabudza mudzimai wangu ndikati hatina vatinogona unokumbira mari yerenti. Diana, you was because it's experiential. I went, I did what I used to do. The night you pick up in one week was nothing. Share with you it's my nothing. It's a black. Later, last video, maybe my plan. Musika pakutarisana so. Maybe ndikataura ndinoita kunge ndifunyepa. Tichiuya takachena so. Ndageza nesiwe green yakasata mugeza nayo mupenyu. If you think kuti God uda kuconvince kuti Mwari ari zvandikutaura izvo zvina guarantee kuti zvinonobuda zvakanaka futi kumberi kwacho. Because handina wini yandati ndataura ndakutaura kuti ndakaona kuita kwaMwari. Because some of the people vadaijudge, I still remember tichitaura kuti we are too judgmental. Even though I don't think I still think we are too judgmental. Aishandiswa munhu asinganamati kuti awezobatsira. Last day so ndataura this is all I have. Mubata book. Because inini handina kwandinoiwana mari. Ndazama ndamboita kunge wemzi kuti zvikati zvaramba. And do you know what I learned one of the most crucial things? Don't create scenarios in Solomon before you go to anyone. Ask God. This is my fear that you are displacing. That's what I simply piece away one day. This is my God. What is it? I'm hungry one. Tutora munhu anoti anoda mari anotoprofesa nekudomwa inini ndinoda mari kana pasina mari handina chimwe chinhu anotomuona ari mwari wake. But mwari wangu inini akaratidza kuti ane simba rekupfuura mwari wake. And he bows. What do you know? That is my question. What has this world made you believe? Chiri kukuita kuti utaure kuti Mwari mupenyu. people pleasing. Sadly, that won't end well. Please God, please God, please God. Munamato inobuda zvese. Obedience pamusoro pazvo zvese ndiyo yakakosha. I pray, brother and sister, kuti pane achanzwisisa kuti Mwari muupenyu watinoona wacho haasi just words. He is alive and he is among us. I want to know him more than I know him now. That is my profession. Amen. Because kana the 24 elders vakaona zvirinani, inini ndakaona tupanhu kuti turi nani, so pane zvinhu. Which was